Hey guys, I'm Sarah Bendrick, and today I want to show you how to install Outdeco panels. We're using them along this fence line behind me, and what that's going to do is add interest, but as well as add privacy. So for this project, I'm using these decorative outdoor panels from Outdeco. They're 48 by 70, and I'm using them to break up this fence line to add a sense of privacy, but also add a design theme throughout the space. They're pretty easy to use, and they're made out of a composite hardwood, so they're gonna last outside no matter what your weather conditions are. This is really simple to install. I have two 4x4 posts, a cross beam, a bottom beam, and now I can attach my Outdeco panel. I already pre-drilled, and what that does is allow my screws to sit flush, and I did it about every 12 inches or so, and this is really going to hold it nice and tight on the frame, especially if you have a lot of wind going from one direction to the other. It's going to be nice and secure. I'm using 1.5 inch exterior black screws, and the color is great because it blends right in with the dark color of my panel. For this yard, I chose 3 freestanding Outdeco panels to really let them pop. We created instant privacy, and you can choose to paint these or leave them raw. We're gonna let ours stay raw and weather just a little bit. But for more tips, you can check out outdecousa.com.